Welcome to Cornell. In this video, we'll give lab tours and talk about the research of two different engineered vasculature labs here in the Biomedical Engineering Department, Dr. Jonathan Butcher's lab and Dr. Isaac Lee's lab. Let's start with the Lee lab.
Hello, everyone. My name is Isaac Lee, and I'm an assistant professor of BME at Cornell. First of all, congratulations on your admission to our program. We highly praise your achievements. My lab focuses on the homeostasis and disease pathogenesis of lymphatic and blood vessels to provide new strategy for treatment of cancer, immune disease, and lymphatic disease. To this end, we are working to develop novel three-dimensional organ-on-chip systems, cellular and molecular tools, and in vivo models to better understand the mechanisms of the human diseases. We currently have 9 members, including a postdoc, PhD students, and undergrad students from diverse background and expertise. If you have any questions about my lab, please email me. I would be happy to answer your questions. Again, congratulations.
Hey, Aria here. I'm a second-year PhD student in the Lee lab, and I want to give you a tour of our space. Hi, welcome to the Lee lab tour. First stop, our sanitation stations that were COVID compliant. Then we've got cold storage with fridges and freezers. Now we've got the student office space, which is empty because of COVID, but usually a very fun place to work. Moving into the actual lab space, we've got our wet lab bench area. Oh, look, there's a student at work. Hello. Oh, and there's another student working safely in the lab. We also have our chemical fume hood, more safety, making sure we're safe while doing our biological and chemical experiments. Moving into our tissue culture room, we've got 2 biological safety cabinets, 2 incubators, and 2 light microscopes for the growth and monitoring of cells and tissues. Then in our microscope cove, we've got not 1, but 2 microscopes, the second of which is a confocal microscope complete with incubator for live cell imaging. Moving into this back room, this is our more messy shop area where we do a lot of our mechanical work, including not 1, but 2 3D printers, as well as a plasma machine, some ovens, electrical equipment, and then of course our PDMS workstation, which we use to make our vasculature on a chip. Oh, let's go peek at the 3D printer. I think we printed something fun. Yep, there it is. Lee Lab at Cornell. That's us. Now let's peek into the Butcher Lab. Take it away, Alex.
Hi everyone, my name is Alex Cruz. I'm a first-year PhD student in the Butcher Lab, and I'm really excited to give you all a tour of our lab space today. Our lab focuses on 3 areas of cardiovascular research, the first being cardiovascular biomechanics and mechanobiology, the second being reactivation of developmental biology in adult valve disease, and third, cardiovascular tissue engineering and regeneration. So as you can see, we have this really nice lab space, some really nice big open windows that let in a lot of sunlight and have a really nice view of campus. And if you want to see a closer look of the work that we do, feel free to visit butcherlab.com and reach out to JBRPI.
Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our PIs via their email addresses listed here. We hope to see you at Cornell.